Dear Srila Prabhupada, please accept my humble obeisances on this most auspicious occasion of your 125th birth anniversary. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to you Srila Prabhupada. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in one of his bhajans, prays to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. कांदिया कांदिया बोले आमी तो अधम शिकाये शरणागति करहे उत्तम. Srila Prabhupada, all throughout your life, you have been Uttama and led and inspired all of us by your Uttam examples as under. First, Uttam disciple. You became most dear to your Gurudev, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, by endeavoring with determination and ultimately, after a struggle of nearly 40 years, fulfilling his true instructions to preach Krishna consciousness all over the world in English and write, publish, and distribute books. You could also understand the mood of your Gurudev and refute Mayavad philosophy. Second, Uttama devotee. By total surrender and devotion, you became the puppet of Lord Krishna and compiled the bhajan Markine Bhagavad Dharma. When you for the first time reached Boston on 17th September 1965. In this bhajan, you display your very strong faith, surrender, and gratitude to Lord Krishna. Third, Uttama preacher. In a short span of 12 years, you traveled many times all around the world, propagating Krishna conscious movement and transforming the hearts of thousands of people and initiating more than 4,000 disciples. Fourth, Uttama scholar. Your scholarly maturity and deep knowledge of Gaudiya Vaishnavism and philosophy was displayed through your writing of more than 60 books, including Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Nectar of Devotion, and Nectar of Instruction. These books are and will be the guiding force for the present and the future generation of humanity for the next 10,000 years of Kali Yuga. Fifth, Uttama person. Your charismatic personality, your care, affection, and love, and other transcendental Vaishnava qualities compel your disciples, grand disciples, and followers to sing your glories with enthusiasm and determination. Sixth, Uttama organizer. Your organizational skills were displayed by the way you founded ISKCON in 1966, nourished it in its infancy, and ultimately made it a successful worldwide spiritual organization. On this most auspicious occasion, I express my deep gratitude to you for inspiring me and others to serve ISKCON and please you. I also pray that by your mercy, I will try to be a fraction of Uttama. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.